everyone? I am CK. For a while now, we've talked about a lot of standalone workflows, but we've never really chained them together to do something big. Today, we're going to play with an ultimate integrated version.
Yo, I am KM, ultimate integration. That sounds impressive. So, what is our big project for today? One-click outfit changes for our video star, just like what we saw in the intro.
Exactly right. We're going to implement this universal shed and redresses workflow. After all, our main character can't wear the same outfit all the time, right? With changing seasons and scenes, changing clothes is a must!
So true. It's a principle just like how we change clothes in real life. Take off the old, put on the new.
Haha! You hit the nail on the head! The principle of this workflow is that simple and direct! First step, we use the Qwen Edit Plus model to take off the old clothes from our character!
Wait, why this model specifically? Is there something special about it?
Because it has been extensively trained on human anatomy. It knows what is clothing and what is the body. So first, we use a prompt to tell it take off the old clothes. Then for the second step, we tell it put on this new outfit. And the whole process is complete.
Sounds magical, but where do the new clothes come from? They can't just appear out of thin air, can they?
Good question! This is where our previously discussed fashion design workflow comes in. We can use a prompt like design a set of women's casual wear suitable for travel presented in a flat lay style. Remember, flat lay style are the magic words, otherwise the AI might just draw a model wearing the clothes.
I get it. First, use AI to design a flat lay image of the clothes, then have the AI put those clothes on the character. That is a brilliant process. Are there any requirements for image dimensions? For example, if the character is in a vertical image and the clothes are in a horizontal one, will it work?
No problem at all. That is what is so amazing about today's models. They can perfectly merge images of different proportions. This was impossible before.
So powerful, but with so many nodes and models, it sounds like a headache. Is there an easy button version?
Don't worry. I've put all the workflows on Running Hub, so you don't have to deal with environment setup and dependency conflicts anymore. All the complicated settings are done for you, so you can spend your time creating, not fighting with code. There is a link in the comments below. Click it for 1,000 free credits, and you can get an extra 100 every day just by logging in. That is more than enough to test the waters or build your own setup.
That is some white glove service. Awesome! I can't wait to see you in action!
No problem! We're done with the theory. Next, let's get hands-on and see just how smooth this universal shed and redresses workflow really is. Alright, first to stop, the workflow section. How? Just punching my ID, CK&KM! See that? My previously released Qwen Edit A steps C+ Elora workflow. Let's dive in. This is the ComfyUI Node interface. And today we're talking high fashion, generated by AI, specifically the garment design feature. Look at the result. It created a complete women's casual outfit. The key detail is that it's a flat lay display, meaning it's the clothes laid out, not a model wearing them.
So, the main point is designing clothes on a hanger, not a human.
Exactly, that's the trick. So in our main prompt, we have to be specific. Design a set of women's casual attire, suitable for travel, displayed in a flat lay manner. That last part, displayed in a flat lay manner, is the secret sauce. Without it, you get a model which defeats the purpose of pure design visualization. The utility of the clothes suitable for travel is also important. And check the speed. This entire design workflow took less than a minute, extremely fast. Next, let's move to workflow number 2, the Qwen Edit dressing room, to give the person a new look. We upload the person's image here in the green input area. And down here, the new flat lay outfit we want them to wear. Vertical person, horizontal clothes, no problem at all. This system automatically adapts the aspect ratio. A massive upgrade that was impossible before. Now for the magic words. We need 2 main prompts. First, to undress the person, the command is remove clothes. Second, put the whole outfit from image 2 onto the woman, etc. The logic is identical in the separate AI application interface. Upload the person, prompted to remove clothes. Upload the clothing, prompted to wear the outfit. If your outfit has accessories like hats or shoes, you might need to add those details in a separate prompt. The model primarily focuses on the main garments on the body, plus the shoes. To make the fit absolutely perfect, you can take the image after the first change, loop it back, and run the dressing workflow again. Just a heads up, the undressing function is a bit of a diva and doesn't always cooperate on the first try, so you might need to run it a few extra times. You can see, we've included the Tontai MC node to save the image. Back to the workflow, we strip the image, pass it to the next edit node, feed in the clothing from image 2, and run the whole thing again. Now the person is successfully wearing the new outfit. We are leveraging the new sampler here, and the speed increase is phenomenal. That first step took only 13 seconds. Total time for the dressing process was only about 1 minute. That is how we solved the dressing problem with serious speed. Now for the grand finale, let's look at the workflow I released yesterday. The 2+4 steps 1 2.2F sampler workflow. I've slipped in a little something new here. The Running Hub LLM API node. I just added it today. It wasn't there yesterday. This is a large language model, LLM prompt node. Its job to analyze your image, write a detailed description, and then expand on your request to help you create something entirely new.
Wait, the AI writes its own prompts now.
Absolutely. You connect your image to this LLM prompt node, take its output, the expanded description, and feed that right back into your main prompt. Then we hit run. See that speed? With the fast sampler, it's lightning fast. The final image was generated in just 1 minute and 49 seconds. That's what I call efficiency.
That is incredible. After seeing this combo in action today, I feel like I've instantly transformed from an AI newbie into a high-fashion director.
As long as you follow this method, you'll definitely be able to achieve all sorts of effects you are looking for.
Thanks to CK and KM for the amazing demonstration. From today on, everyone is their own fashion designer and director. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.